Good morning, everyone. Just made my morning ritual stop at the Big Eddy to get my breakfast sandwich and fill up the sled. If you didn't know, filling up at the Big Eddy is way cheaper. It's typically like 20 cents cheaper for premium fuel compared to, say, the Shell in town, and you're supporting locals. But there is only 2 pumps there, so sometimes it does get a little hectic, so get in there early. And before you go in to pay, move your car out of the way so the next guy can start filling up. Got Dallas back with us again today. What's this tag here from? Sorso.
You just came from the doctors.
From the doctors. And we got Jordan's last day and these guys' last day. Going up the moguls here and I hear a snap. Sway bar. Almost lost my edge there. Wow, it is cloudy. Wow, I can't see anything. Oh, belt overheats. Wow, it's really beeping at me. Yeah, it is not happy. Slightly foggy. Woo. Sorry you guys can't see anything today. Uh-oh. Oh, that's close. It's just a race to get in the first lines before it's all trash. Well, we're just in one of our go-to zones here today. You know, we don't have much in the way of plans. As you can see, it's socked in pretty good. So we're just ripping up the trees, having a good time. But chaos is ensuing right now. The snow is good. We're having fun. It's clearing up a bit and we can actually see. Jordan and Ben wanted a short day today since they got to drive back to Edmonton. I don't think that'll be any problem because I'm sure we'll be out of fuel. Oh man. I don't know if you guys could see anything or not. Get some more downy shots. Oh yeah. I don't even have to say it. Dallas already knows what I'm thinking. Is he stuck? Oh, you're not supposed to crash into the snow. Yeah. I guess the drone doesn't sense when it's graybird. I thought it was gonna hit the snow back there actually, but it kept going and then it hit the snow. Oh! Well, let's see if it flies. Hey, stay out of the snow! Everyone's just loving this fresh powder day, so today's video just might be like a 2-minute montage of everyone doing downies. I'm just chasing Dallas through here into kind of some of the terrain in here that we haven't even been into. Getting a little lower, so it's pretty icy underneath. Woo. Oh, I can't see! Oh shit! Oh man!
Stop down here, stop down here.
Yeah, it's cool. Okay, down here, I don't know, 1,400 meters here. We'll climb back up to the Alpine. Jesus. Sorry for that line, Dallas. God, this is steep in here. Whew. Where to go?
Okay, well, we have no idea where you are.
Not down. Just run after run trying to get up this hill here. lunch is probably cooked. Just when I think we're, you know, just doing some mellow tree riding today with lots of downies, that line was pretty difficult to get up. I don't know if it looked like it on the GoPro, but I did take like 5 stabs at that one point to get up. I could have gone somewhere else, but then I would have had to drop down and back around, so it's pretty fun. Love this stuff. What do I got? The pogo. A soggy pogo. I can't say I've ever had a pogo on the mountain. Before this year, I don't think I've had a pogo in 15 years.
I can't remember the last time I had a pogo.
Not super deep, but you know.
Pretty hard when you hit the bottom.
Yeah. I love the way that thing just screams. Oh! Oh man, I should get the drone back up. The sun will probably be gone by the time I get it up.
Getting used to both the finger throttle and the boost at the same time, that is a difficult combination.
Okay, the drone just randomly decided to land. I don't know. Camera blocked. There's moisture in the lens. Do you want to take this for a spin quick? Ben, can I try this thing? You can take the do after. Take the 155 Pro for a spin. It's been a while since I've been on an NA. I feel like it's been a while since I've even been on a Polaris. This thing feels really small jumping on it. So different on a NA. Go for a hop over number 2. That's weird. Just no power. Well, you converted?
I could definitely get used to it.
Yeah.
It doesn't feel too bad. I definitely...
Oh, did you want to try this?
Yeah, I might as well real quick.
You definitely what?
I definitely do use the tow hooks.
Yeah?
And I find that I'm lost a little bit.
Oh.
How do I start this thing? Just speak
You
French
started
again?
really easy.
Do I just speak French?
Yeah, exactly.
Hold it down. Can I try that boost for a pull? Yeah, dude. Come on over. The low end is way cleaner on that.
Oh yeah.
But the top end is unbeatable.
I think the top end will be pretty similar next year with the Turbo R.
Yeah. And maybe the boost will be cleaned up with the...
Yeah, that's what I hear.
I find I override this. It's easy to get used to. I think the overriding is the steering. Yeah.
Yeah, and if you angle steering post to Polaris, it feels the exact same.
Well, it's, you know, you just override whatever snowmobile you're not used to because you feel like you have to give more input than you really need.
I think that's very true.
Going faster.
Yeah.
What's so funny?
The drool off your chin. You gonna try the do?
I'd love to, sure. For a quick burn.
Yeah, give her.
Here, Dallas, you want to take the old Polaris?
What's that?
You want to take the 165 NA?
Oh, no, I'm good. It's okay, Josh. It's not gonna hurt you. Where's the
Press the
Hold
black
the
button.
black button on the left. Just hold it down.
exciting button? Oh, there we go.
What'd you guys think, like, downhill?
I like the fact that I can put my knees up against the panel. That's how it was on my cat too.
Yeah.
Without,
I like it. I just wish I do like kill hook.
Yeah.
Just like Jordan, I like the kill hook.
you can get them on a do though.
Yeah, you can.
I kind of like it. This would take like a few days.
Oh yeah, it definitely would take a while to get used to. But
Steering is just so different, but if I ran an angled post on the Polaris, I think I could hop back and forth a lot.
Yeah.
I'd really rather have the angled post on the Polaris. Yeah. I've rode one before, it totally changes the sled, it's crazy.
too bad you can't like order the sled with one or the other.
I know, it's too bad.
all brands did that.
Snow is definitely getting super wet now as we go down. These guys wanted to be out of here to get back home early, but they just kept getting carried away with the conditions, and all of a sudden it's like 3:30. So much for getting back to Edmonton in a decent time for them. I think it's like a 7-hour drive from here.
I ran out of fuel up there.
You're running out of fuel?
I did. I was sputtering on the downhill.
What's that say there? Low fuel pressure, power limit.
Just like me, my fuel pump's tired.
Last day on the trail out. What's the chances of that?
I laid into it right there.
All right, guys, thanks for watching the video today. I don't do this often, but I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe if you're not already. And yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.